We are here at Mirpur 10. Here you see the metro station at Mirpur 10. We will show you how to use ticket vending machine in detail, where you can purchase a single-use journey ticket, top up your MRT pass, as well as seeing the detailed information of your card. So enter to the Mirpur 10 metro station. Ticket purchasing area and metro station. You can see the metro station. You can enter through this platform, and people who are coming to this station can easily come here. So this is the ticket vending machine. We will show you in detail how to use ticket vending machine detail. So here's the ticket vending machine. You can see the detail. We'll show you how to use this. Press English. So use English language. You can purchase single-use journey ticket. Whoever journey to the single-use ticket, they can. This is Mirpur 10. You will have to press the destination. Let's see, Agargaon. So you will press Agargaon, then the quantity, then press the insert cash, and then come out ticket here. Single journey, right?
जी.
Where will go? Pallavi to?
Pallavi to Mirpur 10.
Mirpur 10. Okay. Pallavi to Mirpur 10. Single use journey Mirpur 10. Ticket 2.
जी जी. টাকা কি সোজাভাবে দিতে হবে?
Okay. 40, huh? Yeah. You can insert your amount. So very easy and convenient. Ticket here, one, another one. Yeah, two. And remaining balance will come from here. Yeah. And another one. Oh yeah. Thank you. Thank you. For the top up, I will provide the amount 100 taka.
Please insert the amount for taka.
So insert the amount here. And it will recharge automatically. You can see the previous balance 270. Now I recharge 100, and now current balance is 370. Collect MRT pass. You can also see the information of card. So in that case, you have to press MRT pass, card information. So you have you can also see the total amount here. Security deposit 200 and balance 370. You can also check the user history. How many times you recharge your card here. You can see the total amount here.
Please click back to go to
So
the
all the
previous
history you
page.
can.
Please click next. Please click back to go to the previous page. Collect MRT pass.
So this is the entire things you can use here. So you can see is very much easy to use this one. So we will enter to the electronic gate. You can see the balance 370 here as well. Next train is 10:18 to Uttara North, and towards Agargaon it's 10:23. So you have to carefully choose your destination. Please see the platform now. For the platform 1 here is going to Agargaon, and for the platform 2 it's going to Uttara. You can use staircase, lift or escalator.
Station is Pallobby. পল্লবী দরজাগুলো বাম দিক থেকে খুলবে। দয়া করে নিরাপদ দূরত্ব বজায় রাখুন। পল্লবী Doors will open on the left. Please mind the gap.
So you can use any one of the exit point, B or C. Here you can see also provide the direction. C is right side, B is left side. So I will punch 18 taka only, 352 amount. Here is also can see. For the B, you will get Pallobby Idgah MDC Model Institute. For C, you will get the Pallobby Extension Area and Dwaripara. So we are going out to the B, gate number B.